All right. So bright and sunny day out here in Shandong province, and I'm trying to get a pickup truck for a client of mine. So I need to do a quality check. I need to come inspect it, make sure everything is okay before exporting it out to my client. So I'm gonna go check it out, and I'm gonna walk you through the quality check process so you would know how I do it every time I'm getting a truck or a car for my clients. So all around me, as you can see, tons of cars around me. If you can see what I'm seeing, right? I'll show you up here. Tons of cars. So if you need any used car, be it Chinese cars or the legacy brands, VW, Mercedes, what have you, just scan the QR code on your screen, get in touch, and I'll try to help you get what you need. So all these cars right here are for sale. Some are looking pretty good. That's a Mercedes V-Class, Buick GL8. This is Trumchi. This is a truck right here.
这是直播吗？
发给客户看看。哪里碰到了？有那个号码在那边。
是。你是非洲的？
Okay, got a spare tire down there. Axle looking good.
你在哪里来的？在广东来的？
上海。
在上海过来。
Alright, the seats are squeaky clean. No wear or tear. Alright, so now we're sure the back seats are clean, no wear, no tear, looking good. Let's check out the front. Chama, 问题都没有。So you gotta make sure all these panels are intact. There are no gaps here, which means they've changed something on the inside. Right, this is a manual transmission, so as you can see, 6-speed transmission. Is that either you? Should we see? That kind of connection. Huh?但是里面保健没有问题，
开得很好，
但是动力呢？
动力也好。
动力也好。
这是2.0T 的。
嗯。So all good in here, everything looking good. We got the USBs here. All working. 钥匙在你那，那不用钥匙是不是？
没有，不，这是一键启动的。踩着离合，踩离合起火，不踩离合不起火。
哦，也 OK。
对。踩到点，踩到点，再按。
Alright, so all the lights are on. You gotta make sure once you start the car, every single thing goes off, besides the basics. Okay, parking is on, that's normal. Seat belts gotta be put on, that's okay. Doors open, that's okay. But this is the tires. Tires are not properly inflated, and there is little to no gas in here, so that should not be a problem. And then we got to inflate the tires, and that should be good. So yeah, I would say engine 10/10. Okay, so once you turn on the turn signal, you have the cameras kicking in. It's a good thing, it's all working. Okay, then we check the AC. Kunti akai kai mo? Kunti akai kai mo? Here. Oh, okay. 我刚刚那个不用剪好了。飞机那边还热，所以要 OK。OK。可以了。Alright, so once you're done with almost the interior, everything seems pretty good in here. Now we gotta go for a test drive, and then after that we pop up the hood and check out the engine. So one thing you also gotta be mindful of, every time you buy most Chinese cars, because they're used internally, locally, the language is already set to Chinese. So you gotta make sure you navigate to the settings in the menu section and then try to find English. So you can see Chinese, this is Zhongwen, and then this is English. So your clients will not have a hard time doing the switch once they receive the car. Alright, there we have it. So now we got full English settings, which is absolutely phenomenal. Screen is pretty responsive. a good thing.在节目后面吗？
嗯，对，是的。
行吧。好的。
电动的面包车，你说电动的面包，你要封闭式的还是要那个不？你说那是50阳光吧？面包车，混版的没有了，搁那卖过了。那个，过两天来一个，过两天来一个，过两天来个大通的。大通有个大通的那个封闭式电动面包，是2.78米的。2.78米长的，对，内径。
So overall, not bad.
可以吗？要可以，我就把它开出来。
可以，
可以，我开出来了。
嗯。
我把那个先放里，省了一会儿那个手还不好接会儿。